Queen, Aleximi Kaimoso Brooks, as she shares her words of gratitude. Now, Alexi, I'll just give you the mic.
On the spot naman ako.
Tara yan eh. Tara yan eh.
Una sa tanan, gusto ko din nga magpasalamat kaninyo and also Happy Independence Day. Grabe ang love. And I don't think nga kaya ko kamo mag-isa-isa tanan, pero I just want to say thank you so much, especially to our nanay, Mayor. Thank you to Yukong. Thank you so much for your help. Doc Cathy, to IFFI, Miss Iloilo, to Lola Basing, to my team Abanse, to all the SB members of Leon, to the 2nd District, to our governor, and of course to everyone who's here supporting me sa tanan ng mga Leonian. Raka-raka din na salamat sa suporta ninyo. Oh, actually right now, as I was sitting in here, ginapanamdam ko, anugin man bala ang mabatsagan ko. Kasi syempre, as an athlete, dugudayan kami mag-show emotion. Kaya ginagingambal, giniman nga dumahibi ako. Huwaian, tita ka maibi, eh? Pero, as I was sitting here right now, and nadumduman ko after sa coronation night nga, nag-open ako sa Facebook, and I saw all of you in here watching sa aking event or our performance, and I can't help but to feel so much emotion. Siguro kay man, it's the same place nga kabakdan ko, the same place where, you know, it made me who I am. It's the same place nga gusto ko maghatag sa bugal. And I think I want to say thank you so much to my Lola Basing. Balang ko hindi niya ako mabatian. Lola, why hindi kayo makabati? Pero I just want to say nga thank you so much, Lola. Palangga ko gid ikaw. Kung ay ikaw sa kabuhi ko, I don't think nga ako si Alexi nga ako talan. Si Lola Basing hambal, bisan din ikaw malabot one day, dapat remain gid ikaw nga humble and keep your feet on the ground. And palangga ko si Lola, so kung ano hambal, mamati ako ka na. Ambal ni Lola, bisan one day nga mag-training ako sa una, ganiri, ang nga nabiling ko medyas ko. Ambala, ay, puro tayo mo medyas riyan. Nakaraan na ako. So, even on that small things, it would remind us nga bisan din kita daraan sa kabuhi natin, we always need to go back to our roots and to remain thankful and grateful. And as I was doing the caravan earlier, I saw a lot of my teachers from elementary, my classmate ko sa mga high school pa ako in elementary, and everyone. And I think nga grabe ang akin nga pagbalangga kaninyong tanan. And I know nga even though wala kita nagsilat sa top 5, but right now that I have another responsibility nga may crown na rin sa ulo ko, of course, padayon kita nga sa pag-abanse. Because to tell you, when I was not announced in top 5, I actually didn't really cry, but I was more sad. Kasi syempre, whenever I asked you kung ano giman bala nagustuhan ninyo kanakan, you always say nga, you give people hope. So isang time nga, why ako nagsilat sa top 5, I felt like I took that away from you, and I was more sad that I know nga doon na subuan mo kaysa sa feelings ko. And don't worry, no matter where life takes me, I'll always be proud to call myself Leonian, nga padayon gid man kita sa pag-abanse. So, salamat. And I think I would also take this opportunity to just say a little bit of message to the kids and the women watching right now. Gusto ko lang mabalaan ninyo nga, you know, you have someone like me, manang sisi or si sisi nga, makaintindi sa hanggang agyan mo. And never limit yourself. Di ka magambal, kay pigado lang ta, kay way kita tinanay, way kita titatay, so imposible nga maglabot ang handun ta. Because if I listen to those people who told me I couldn't, I wouldn't be in this position that I am right now. You don't need to be the prettiest. You don't need to be the smartest girl in the room or the most astonishing one. All you need to do is to have a faith in yourself. Kasi pag hindi magpati kanimo ang bilog ng kalibutan, pag nagpati ikaw sa kagalingan mo, ay timabugal riya kanimo. So just believe in yourself. And I think give importance sa pagpalangga ng mga ginikanan natin to whoever we have. For me, I have Lola Basing. And I think everything that I'm doing right now is para sa iya. Without her, I don't think I'll be as courageous as I am. So Lula, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I always make you proud. So Tani, we make our lolas proud, our lolos, our moms, our dads, our sisters, our cousins, and everyone. Palanggaan natin sila. And I think for me, padayon lang kita sa pag-show kang gratitude, recognition, and love towards people regardless of differences nila. Like regardless kung ano man ang skin tone nila, ano ang body type nila, gender orientation nila, dapat mag-remain lang kita nga magpinalanggaan. We need to accept everyone for who they are and remain humble. We'll go back to our roots. And as much as there's so much that I can say, pero raka-raka din nga salamat to my family, to my team Abanse, to Mali, to IFFI, to all of you all, to the Second District, and to Buganians and Leonians. Thank you, kids. So, Abanse Leon, Abanse Segundo Distrito, Abanse Iloilo, and Abanse Babay. Thank you.